Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to merge multiple PDF files into ones. So for example, I have taken 3 PDF files on my computer and I want to merge all of three into one. So if we want to do the same and more than that, so let's do it. Simply open the Google Chrome or whichever browser you use, and you need to type here PDF merger online. Now once you search this PDF merge online free, so you have multiple options here. So we can go trusted one like I love PDF, samplepdf.com, Adobe. So you can choose the top one website. So basically if the files are less than 20, so I will choose the I love PDF one. This is a good option. Select files and you need to select all of them with the press Ctrl like this and select all of them, then click on OK, and you can rearrange the order as well like this. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and you need to click on merge PDF, and now simply download the merge PDF, and all the documents should be come up within the single PDF. Okay, you can see here this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So all the 3 documents have been merged successfully, and this is very easy guys. You can do it simply, and if you have more than other website you can also try that, but there is a limit on it. Like this is also trusted website, this will also do the same thing. Let's open 1 2 3. Okay, just open, and you can see here the option. Let's finish it. Creating document. Now simply download it. So once you have downloaded it, you can see here you can open it simply. Study 3. And you can go to your Explorer, then download option, and let me see where it has gone. Let me download it. Now it has downloaded. Now both are working in the same direction guys, so you can choose any of the trusted one. You can see here it has already successfully okay, it doesn't give me the good result right now. It is asking for pop-up, so I should suggest you to choose the first option. Okay, only one is selected here. Add document. Okay, like this you need to add it. Study 3, study 2. Now let's try to open that, and now see it should make all the document. You can see here. So this is how guys, I hope this video helps you, and this is easy to do that. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.